Hey friends, today we'll be looking at forearm stand and ways to build the strength and body awareness to move towards it. We'll be using the wall, a strap, and a block to play around. If you're not very stable or confident in the posture, I would recommend having the wall towards your back for the second two variations. For this first one, let's set up with the feet on the wall and our hands directly below the shoulders. Lower the forearms towards the earth so they're shoulder width apart. Push down firmly into the forearms, pressing your heart back towards the wall. Tuck your toes, lift your hips up high, and walk the feet up the wall. When you're ready, take one leg up, push through the ball of the foot, and find internal thigh rotation. Big toe mound spins in. When you're ready, switch it out. Try to push straight up and pull the navel in towards the spine. When you're ready to come down, walk the feet down the wall. For the second variation, we'll use the strap. Setting up the strap so it's shoulder tip to shoulder tip distance apart. We'll put the strap on above the elbows, and we want to focus on hugging the upper arms in, creating slack in the strap. Place your forearms down, elbows shoulder width apart. Lift the hips up high, walk the feet in one leg up, hold it, or a little baby hop up towards forearm stand. If you feel stable, connect both legs and come back down when you're ready. You can also try a stag hop. You pull one knee in tight to the chest, the leg you hop off of, drawing the navel in, engage your core, keep pushing the floor away, and come down when you're ready, resting in child's pose. For the third variation, we'll use a block, placing the block between the thumb and the index finger on both hands. Place your forearms down on the earth, again, elbows shoulder width apart. Press your heart back, walk your feet in one leg up, baby hop. You don't need a ton of momentum. If you feel stable, connect both legs and slowly come back down. You can always try that stag hop once again. Go slow, it takes a lot of practice.